All right, man. It's been a rough day at work. Couldn't really conjure the thunderstorm, but this is how I water these girls every day. I love my girls, and it's one thing I know about sun-grown creations is they like to get rained on. So I got a little bit in me. Maybe I'll make it rain over them girls, huh? What do you think? I know I said I'd give you a thunderstorm or rainbows or some shit, but I'm tired, man. Anyway, but I still gotta water my babies. So here you go. This is how I water them. They like to get rained on. How's that? Wait. Alright, let me slow down. You get all crazy out, the neighbors calling and shit. Right, hang on. That's better. Then I gotta sit on my chair. Ooh, it's getting misty. How's that? It's getting windy, man. Monsoon season. Uh-oh. How's that for watering them bitches? Yeah. This is desert, man. This is desert growing. Oh. Hey guys, quit being so gentle to your plants, man. Fuck. They like it rough, man. You know that. Come on, guys. It's not rocket science. The desert, though, am I right? Oh. You fucking sleep here all day. Every day, man, I do this. I got another fucking 3 months before the. Oh, they're budding already. Look at it. Look at it. Right there. Look at her. Look at it. Look at it budding. I'll break that fucking branch. I'll break it right off. Okay. She'll come back, I promise. These are of a hardy bunch. Right, Marcel? These are your babies. They like it rough. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, Illinois weather. Anyway, man. There's not much to see here. Just water and weed. Have a good one. Keep tabs. These things smell like fucking lemon right now. I love it. Okay, peace.